In a bid to recognize and reward for hard work, the RANCO Network Initiative Organization don present an iconic leadership award to Egor Local Government Council Chairman Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia as the best proactive and pragmatic local government chairman for Edo State. RANCO Network Initiative Organization give her this award when they pay her one courtesy visit for her office in recognition of her exceptional performance as local government chairman for the state.
This award of iconic leadership as best pragmatic and proactive chairman to Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, the chairman Egor Local Government Area Edo State, in recognition and appreciation of her immense contribution towards nation building, human capital, societal transformation, and outstanding leadership with great service delivery to mankind. Today, we will be doing it, but we'll give it to the Honorable Councillor to present to the chairman. Thank
you. So you are the one presenting me the award. Okay, I always say thank you so much.
Today we are presenting peace, unity, progress, harmony, love, and above all, great magnanimity in all dispensation. To the person of Honorable Eghe, the chairman of the local government area. Wow. Thank you for what you have transformed Egor to be. Thank you because I'm proud anywhere I am, within and outside the country, to say I am from Edo State and I can boast that I have a working chairman that is making us proud. Indeed, we can definitely see the spirit of father in her. We say thank you, ma, for what you have been doing.
Thank you. President RANCO Network Initiative Organization, Ambassador Roland Osakare talk say the award they presented to Egor Local Government Chairman for her exceptional performance as her dedication to public service and unwavering commitment to delivering the dividends of democracy to the people of Egor Local Government don't bring significant development to the local government.
Excellence cannot be hidden, neither virtues cannot be concealed. This honor is a great attestation of your well-known qualities as a high achiever. Your name has been written in-depthly in the scroll of history. God are exalted in our heart for your own understanding and performance. May the shining star in your life forever remain bright. Amen. And may your feet never stumble. Amen. On the ladder of success. Amen. Congratulations.
For her part, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia come appreciate the RANCO Network Initiative Organization for recognizing the work she do for the local government and said the award will make her continue to do more in delivering the dividends of democracy to the people of Egor Local Government.
RANCO Network, I really appreciate you, and I want to say thank you for being patient. He has been wanting to give me this award since my first tenure. Yeah. He keep coming and coming. One day I said to him, I'm not the type that buy award with money. Is that not what I said? Yes, I said I can only receive an award of merit. Yes. If you are giving me an award, it's an award that I know that I deserve. Yes. I was named Madam Project in 2021 when I was submitting or rendering my stewardship to the people of Edo State, the people of Egor Local Government. After the chairman saw so many projects that we did in Egor Local Government in a very short period, those projects were done within 1 year and 7 months. When he looked at it, he now said, I don't have any other name to give to you than Madam Project. It's not easy to wear the shoe of Madam Project. Now that I was giving Madam Project, I have to continue making sure that projects are flying every day in Egor Local Government. Like I keep saying, it's a good name is better than riches. Today, people are talking about my late father. To me, my father is not late. Yeah. My father is inside me. And I'm happy that this opportunity came. I'm happy that I'm allowing this award to be bestowed on me today. Because giving me an award you must be giving me an award from the bottom of your heart. You must be giving me an award for a job well done. Not just because you want to give an award. That's the reason why I'm accepting this award. I accept this award from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank you, like I said, for being patient. For over 5 years, he's been trying to give me an award. Thank you. And I want to promise you that this award was bestowed on me because of my good work. Because of what? Because of delivering that word called the dividends of democracy to the people of Egor local government. And I want to say to you that I will continue to do more for the people of Egor.
For another story, the Egor Council Board also present free learning materials to the Egor local government adult education students, where them tag Egor Sabi Read as part of our effort to ensure say every adult student gets a seamless learning process.
Notebooks is coming as a free notebook for our students of Egor Sabi Read. So we don't want a situation where you have to be buying notebooks. Like we said before, we'll be bringing you materials for your learning. So I really want to appreciate you, and I want to appreciate the teachers, and I want to appreciate the students who believe in, let me learn, let me know a little bit about education. Like I said, education is knowledge. Education can take you to places. Even when you are a trader, you are an artisan, you are a business person, a little bit of education, people will not be able to cheat you. Do you understand? Yes. And for me, I believe that as an adult who is already going to adult education, the most important part of your education is mathematics and English. It's very, very important. And a little bit of government, so that you know who are the people ruling your country, who are the people ruling your state, who are the people ruling your local government. It's a very simple thing. At the time you learn how to read and write, like they say, if you can read and write, say thank you to your teacher. So I'm presenting this notebook to the teachers of our adult education schools in Egor local government, because we have in 10 locations of Egor, but the ones that are here today. So this book is being presented to you by me, the executive chairman of Egor local government. It was sponsored by one Musa Harry from London. For you to know that people are really appreciating you, that people are really interested, they want to join you, they want to be part of you. And this is just the beginning. But we have 10 centers. So each center, you will share the book with each center so that they can take the book to their centers and distribute it. Please, the book is not for sale. Thank you. If you can read and write, thank your teacher. Thank you, teacher. On behalf of my teachers, I want to really appreciate you. Like Mommy has said, you know, when she came at the first time, I kept on repeating this thing anywhere I go. Before she came, I know we are passing through stress in Egor. Yes. 2 schools there in Shago. Ogida Primary School and Ewotu. When I just came, I visited her with my secretary and some of them. I just told her, look at the problem we have in Egor. She told me tomorrow come so that we can visit. See, that is how you see somebody that have action. I went to the community, told the chairman, the authority, said, if you give me a land, you say in 3 months I'm giving you a school. And that is the present Ewotu Primary School. God will continue to empower you. Amen. Higher you will go. Amen. Men will favor you. Amen. This is just the beginning. When I want staff to be serious, yes. Our people. Yes. We are not do as if you are the child that is going to school. Be serious. In 3 months' time, you must have yourself. I have assured you. If you are able to do it, you will enroll your practices and get your certificate. Integrity matters a lot. Give me money first. You know, this book is not for sale.
The Supervisory Councillor for Education, Honorable Queen Eghe, and the Coordinator, Egor Reed, Comrade Juliet Osayande, commend Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia for her good work.
We are here to present a notebook for our pupils in Egor local government. What I mean by pupils, they are already pupils even when they are adults, our adult education, but we call them Egor Sabi Read. So that is what we are doing today. We just presented them some notebooks. We have 10 centers in Egor. So those 10 centers are going to be provided with all the basic amenities that they need to be teaching our parents who could not go to school in their young age, but now they felt it is good for them to go to school. Like I always say, education is knowledge. So today I've presented a notebook for Egor local government, those Sabi Read centers in Egor.
She has done a whole lot to make sure that this program is being carried out effectively. And I want to appreciate the teachers that were able to come out and turn up for us when we call them. So I want to appreciate both the executive chairman and the teachers and the pupils. Like I will say, education is the bedrock of everything. Investing in education is investing in someone's future, investing everything in that person's life. So I want to thank Mama for taking out her time to invest in our lives, in the life of our parents who still want to go to school at their old age. Thank you very much.
To appreciate our chairman. As she promised before, and today she's fulfilling it. She has given out notebooks for the pupils, our adult pupils that are attending our schools. We are indeed grateful unto her. God will continue to lift her up in Jesus' name.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojisili, TMC TV News.